Finishing up the Chapter 6 review on page 326, 47 through 49. Number 47 says, at 7 feet 8 inches tall, the world's tallest woman casts a 46-inch shadow. So you've got world's tallest woman who is 7 feet 8 inches, and her shadow is 46 inches. At the same time, the world's shortest woman has a 15.5 inch shadow. So you've got the other woman, and her shadow is 15.5 inches. Okay, these would make similar triangles. We need to figure out what this is in inches. And 7 feet is 84 inches. So that would be 84 and 8 would be 92 inches. So then, we don't know how tall the shortest woman is. And so we're going to set up a ratio of tall to short. 46 on the tall woman corresponds to 15.5 on the short woman. And 92 on the tall woman corresponds to x on the short woman. So that's the ratio we're going to set up. 46 times x is 46x equals 92 times 15.5. That is 0, 1, 3, 5, 4, 9. When you add that, you get 1426, and then you divide both sides by 46, so x equals 46 into 1426. That goes 3 times so 31, so x is 31 inches. Alright, number 48 says the largest known pyramid is the Pyramid of Khufu, I believe that says. At a certain time of day, a vertical yardstick casts a 1.5 foot long shadow. So a yardstick, which is 3 feet tall, has a shadow that is 1.5 feet. At the same time, the pyramid casts a shadow. The pyramid shadow is 241 feet long. How tall is the pyramid? Okay. Well, here are similar triangles. We're going to do yardstick to pyramid as our ratio. So what on the yardstick corresponds to what on the pyramid? So that would be 1.5 on the yardstick corresponds to 241 on the pyramid. Then 3 on the yardstick corresponds to x on the pyramid. If you cross multiply, 1.5x equals 3 times 241, which is 723. Divide both sides by 1.5. X equals, we're going to do 1.5 into 723. You have to move that one place, so you move it one place here. Goes in there 4 times. 4 times 15 is 60. It goes in there 8 times. It goes in there 2. So x is 482 feet. So the pyramids are 482 feet tall. Lastly, number 49 says, in the figure below, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. And the lake is there, the pond is there. What is the distance across the pond? They call that D. If this is 110 meters, this is 65 meters, and this is 44 meters. Now all these measurements would be possible because they would be on land, but you couldn't do this one. Okay? Well, if you set up the small triangle and the large triangle, and let's label those. So this is A, B, E, and this is A, C, D. That side's 110. This side's 44. This side would be 110 and 65, which is 175. And this side's D. So if our ratio is small to big, we could say 110 on the small triangle corresponds to 175 on the big triangle. That goes with that. And then 44 on the small triangle corresponds to D on the big triangle. Then cross multiply. 110 times D would be 110D. 175 times 44 would be 7,700. Divide both sides by 110, and you would get D equals 70. So the pond is 70 meters across.